Good morning, class 12. Marketing Management, class 12 notes, business studies. Meaning of some important terms in your marketing chapter. First, need. Basic human requirement, essential item, necessary or fundamental to human existence is known as needs. Now, what is want? Desire for particular product tend to be satisfier specific. It's known as want. Now, what is demand? Willingness to buy is backed by purchasing power is known as demand. Utility. Want satisfying power of a product is known as utility. What can be marketed? A product can be marketed. Bundle of utility not confined to physical product but can refers to other things of value such as service, ideas, place. It refers to anything that satisfies a need or want. May be tangible or intangible. It can be anything which may be goods or services can be marketable. Now, in the market, customers, marketers, and marketing activities basically deals. Now, what is customer? People or organizations that seek satisfaction of their want is known as customers. Now, who is the marketers? Anyone taking a more activity role in the process of exchange is called marketers. Normally, it is the seller, but in certain situation, it may also be the buyer. This may be the situation of rare supply. Seller as marketer are the delivers or provider of satisfaction. They make available products or services and offers them to customers with an intention of satisfying customer needs and want. They can be divided into goods marketer, service marketers. Other marketing experience or place such as Walt Disney, places like tourist destinations. Marketing activities carried on by the marketers to facilitate exchange of goods and services between the producer and the user of such product. Meaning and concept of marketing management. Marketing management means management of the marketing function. It is the process of organizing, directing, controlling the activities related to marketing of goods and services to satisfy customer needs and achieve organizational goals. The process of marketing involves choosing a target market, getting, keeping, as well as growing the customers. That is, ensure that the target customers purchase the product, ensure that they keep their customers satisfied with the product and attract new customers so that the firm can grow. Number 3, it create, developed and communicate suppliers' values to the customers. Functions of marketing. Marketing activities, gathering analysis of marketing information. The function of marketing is gathering analysis of marketing information. It says how they gathered and analyzed the market information with the help of systematic investigation of fact, SWOT analysis necessary to identify needs. Decision can be with respect to identifying customer and needs and want, identify buying, motivate, choice of brand name, packaging and media used for promotion. One of the important question, differences between selling and marketing. First, scope. It is only a part of process of marketing. It is wide term consisting of a number of activities such as side notification, customers need, etc. Focus. Selling, transfer of the title from seller to customer. Marketing, achieving maximum satisfaction of customer needs and want. Predominance. Product is given quantity. Marketing, customer is treated as the king. In aim in the field of selling, profit through sales volume, and in marketing, aim profit through customer satisfaction. Emphasis. In selling, bending the customer according to the need, and marketing, to develop the product as per the customer need. This is the differences between selling and marketing. Marketing mix. There are a large number of factors that affect marketing decision. They can be classified as non-controllable factors and controllable factors. To be successful, a firm needs to take sound decision with respect to controllable factor while keeping the environmental factor in mind. To develop marketing tools, marketing manager use the above mentioned control factors and the set of marketing tools that a firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market is described as marketing mix. Success of a market offer will depend upon how well these ingredients are mixed to create superior value for customer and simultaneously achieve their sales and profit objective. Thus, an ideal marketing mix would need producing satisfied product offered to buyers at a reasonable price, conveniently available about which communication is offered. Marketing mix refers to integrate or the tools the variable which the marketers mixes in order to interact with the particular market. Element of marketing mix as classified by McCarthy are: number 1, product, price, place, physical distribution, promotion. These elements are more popularly known 4 P's of the marketing. Marketing management Class 12 notes on business studies C. 4P, product mix, price mix, promotion mix, and place. As per the product mix, all the features of the product or services to be offered for sale. Marketing management class 12 note on business studies. Number 2, value in lieu of product services received by seller from a buyer. Promotion mix, informing the customer about the product and pursuing the to buy. Last one is the place mix. Physical distribution, various decisions regarding distribution of product, challenges of distribution, whether wholesaler, retailer or to be used or not, physical movement of the product from producers to customer, storage, transportation, managing inventory, etc. I hope people have understand this chapter. Physical distribution is not in your syllabus in this term. So keep practicing. Stay healthy. Thank you.